Hi, today my topic is ASP.NET MVC 6. So the minimum things what we need to learn if you are learning ASP.NET MVC 6. So I just listed all the topics here. So I will go through one by one. The first one is you need to learn about introduction to MVC. After that, some introduction to design patterns in MVC and also MVC design pattern. If you say introduction to design patterns, we have three types of design patterns available, right? So that is creational design pattern, structural design pattern, and behavioral design patterns. At least the minimum things you should know about the design patterns. And after that, introduction to model, view, controller. So what exactly the model and the view and the controller, and the sum of the advantages of MVC. So the main importance of MVC, why the MVC came into the market. See, we have already previously ASP.NET, right? When compared to MVC and ASP.NET, what is the main advantages? So that things you are going to learn. And the differences between ASP.NET Web Forms and ASP.NET MVC. And version histories, .NET Framework version history, and also the .NET Framework MVC version history also you should learn. And create just one sample web application and analyze the folder structure. See, the next one is ASP.NET MVC folder structure. What and all the default folders it will load when you create any sample project. For example, views, models, controllers, and if you want to save the styles and all, right? So scripts files, all these things, and also web.config and global.asx files, all these things we should know the default MVC folder structures. And the complete request life cycle, how the request is coming from the end user and how it is going, right? This routing concepts, action results, all these things we should learn the complete life cycle of ASP.NET MVC. Next, very important is if you want to design the views, you need to learn about the different types of HTML helper classes available in MVC. So I can say there are three different types of HTML helper classes available. So HTML inline helpers, built-in type of HTML helpers. Again, this classified into three types: standard helpers, strongly typed helpers, templated helpers, right? Number three, custom helpers. So these things also we should learn. And the main important thing in MVC, ASP.NET MVC is session management techniques, the state management techniques. So there are three different types of sessions available. So view bag, view data, and temp data, and also sessions also available. And one more thing is routing concept in ASP.NET MVC, and the newly introduced in ASP.NET MVC 5 attribute routing. So what exactly the attribute routing, how it will help, these things you should learn, right? Next, partial views and layouts. When you compare to ASP.NET, so partial views is nothing but user controls, and layouts is nothing but master pages. So here also in MVC also they introduce as a partial views and layouts. So how to create a layouts, all these things we need to learn. And next one is how to implement the data validations in MVC. So validations, so by using data annotations. So how to use the data validations in MVC also you should know. And filters, there are 5 different filters available. So that filters, about that filters also we should know, right? And action results, types of action results. So we have so many different types of action results available. For example, JSON results, view results, right? JSON result, all these things we should know. And what is there is a small concepts available. Bundling, what are the types of bundlings available, what is minification, and next one is areas in concepts. Why we will use areas concept in MVC. The other things is strongly typed views. What is strongly typed views? Generally in interview section people will ask what is strongly typed views, and what is scaffolding, and what is NuGet package management. Why we will use, if you want to install any softwares by using ASP.NET MVC applications, we will use a NuGet package manager, right? And how to integrate the JavaScript in ASP.NET MVC, and error handling, very important. So how we'll handle the errors in ASP.NET MVC also we should know. And ASP.NET security mechanism, so these things also we should know. How to publish ASP.NET MVC in IaaS, Internet Information Services, because it's a web application. So end of the day you need to host your web application into one location. So that's IaaS. So Microsoft Web Server is IaaS. So how to publish this ASP.NET MVC application in IaaS also we should know. And how to integrate the link queue, right? So how to integrate link queue in MVC, how to write the queries, and how to fetch the data and updates. All these things we should know as a part of MVC course. Thank you very much.